Physical and chemical changes. Physical changes. Every day we come across many changes in our surroundings. For example, boiling of water, melting of ice, rustling of iron, cooking of rice are some of the changes we observe in our surroundings. In this module, let us try to understand the nature of these changes with the help of some activities. Changes are of two types, namely physical changes and chemical changes. First, let us try to learn about physical changes. Properties such as shape, size, color, and state of a substance are called its physical properties. The change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties is called a physical change. Now, let us perform few activities to understand the physical changes. Cut a piece of paper into 4 square pieces. Lay these pieces on the floor or a table so that the pieces acquire the shape of the original piece of paper. We cannot join the pieces back to make the original piece. However, we can see the change in the size of paper. As size is a physical property, this change can be called as a physical change. Now, let us do another activity. Take some ice in a plastic tumbler. Place the tumbler in the sun. Now the ice starts melting. We can see a mixture of ice and water in the tumbler. Now, place the tumbler in a freezer for some time. Remove the tumbler from the freezer. Now we can observe that the water changed back to ice. In this activity, we observed the change in the state of water. As state of a substance is a physical property, this change can be considered as a physical change. Now, let us do one more activity. Hold a used hacksaw blade with a pair of tongs. Keep the tip of the free end of the blade on the flame of a gas stove. Wait for a few minutes. Now we can observe the change in the color of the tip of the blade. Then remove the blade from the flame and observe the tip once again after some time. We can observe that the tip of the blade get back its original color. As color is a physical property, we can consider this change as a physical change. A physical change is generally reversible. New substances are not formed in physical changes. Try to list out some more physical changes that takes place in our surroundings.